Be very careful on that, and we're expecting for another forecast of storm rain that's happening, rain that's happening, the winter they call it the winter cyclone that's hitting as well. And then also sort of in Michigan Lake, they're overflowed with water, so actually flowing over floors in the California areas, they call it atmospheric rain. Atmosphere river that's bringing forth a new storm of rain and snow. So many rain and storm happening there. Weather report, as you know, in Arizona, as well. On that area as well. In Montana, there's expecting with more snows to happen there. So if you're in the Montana area, there's some heavy storm advisory that's happening there as well. And also in parts of western Pennsylvania, there's a storm happening there. Storm watch as well. So a lot of things are happening. Very cold, wintry Thanksgiving weekend for all y'all. And also in Big Bear Mountain. If you're in California up there in San Bernardino Mountains, Big Bear, Lake Arrowhead, they've got over 4 feet of snow there as well. So I predict there's tire chains that you have to have as well. So we're having lots of that type of heavy wintry type of winter happening for this time. So just for this time, you know what's happening. And be safe. Hey everybody, just reporting strong storms that brings forth tornado warnings, rain, and snow down in Phoenix, Arizona. So Arizona's getting hit hard with tornado warnings, and the Grand Canyon is officially icy trails. So there's.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.